What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this one, I am chasing after carp and catfish. And I got some top secret baits. Well, not really top secret, but we're going to head to a small lake right behind my house. If that doesn't work out, we're going to go head to a couple ponds and see if we can catch something. Don't have a whole lot to say. I'm just going to dive right into the video. Stay tuned. Got some hot dogs and I got some corn. I'm gonna try to catch some catfish and carp. I've never fished here for catfish or carp, so I have no idea what to expect. Right there, got some cheese franks. Gonna rip a little piece off like that. Look at that. That's not what we want. And then hopefully I can get these to stay on this hook. Not the hook that I wanted, really. Gonna give her a little toss out there. Wind is rough. Of course, as soon as I get out of here, it starts blowing like this. Might storm, I don't know. Just gonna put some corn on here. Wind is picking up, man. You guys probably can't hear a damn thing. Little toss. Should have brought more weight if I knew it was gonna be this windy. Hot dogs on this one. Corn on that one. Let's see what happens. You've got to be kidding me, guys. Look at this. I keep putting my hot dogs out there and they just keep getting taken. The bait keeps getting taken. And look at this. This is what's taking them. Big ass bluegill. What in the world? I can't believe it. I just hooked him. Stealing my damn bait. I might keep him. Find a knife and cut him up. That's just stupid. Keeping him as bait regardless. Well, I got smaller hooks. I might just try to catch a bunch of these guys now. Might as well get some catfish bait. At least I know what's going on now, because every time I throw that hot dog out there, like instantly, bait would be gone. Got this little hook. I'm gonna put a tiny piece of hot dog on here. See what the hell happens now. Get a couple of those. I can use those for catfish bait on the river, so let's see. Looking at, oh, okay. Yeah, there's a lot in there. You little shits. So you're little bait stealers, huh? Now you guys are gonna become bait. You did it to yourself. I choked it too. If something doesn't happen soon, I'm going somewhere else. Alright, I think I'm gonna go to a different spot. A little bummed though, not gonna lie. Alright guys, well we are at another spot. It's still windy as hell. Really hope we can make something happen. Wow, it's really windy. Alright, we gotta catch something to save this episode. I'm gonna try. I got the corn out already on that one. Gonna throw some hot dogs out. Damn wind. If I can't catch anything on this, I might cut up one of those bluegills. See how they do. I'm gonna go flip the docks a little bit with the little jig. Hopefully something will eat one of these while I'm over there and come back and have a fish. Got something, he almost fooled me. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. over by the dock. It almost spooled me. Oh no, I got something wrong with my... Something wrong here. I got something messed up. Oh man. we got an issue here. I can't fight it yet, it's gonna break. I spooled it wrong, guys. This is a big fish too. We're gonna have to do something crazy here. I guess I can just try to fight it like this. Hope it doesn't break. I don't know what this is, but it's big. What the hell I got on here, guys? Here he is. It's a big old carp. Big old carp. Alright. On the hot dog. Got the spool wrong like an idiot. Yeah, I know, bud. I try and net him before he breaks, because I'm stupid. Yep, that's where he's gonna break, right doing that stuff. I think I spooled this up like this. Oh boy. Try and get him. Ooh. Come on. How good he's hooked. Doing everything I could have did wrong, I did wrong here. He knows it, yeah, he knows. Okay. Oh god, he's gonna break. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. There we go, we got him. We got him. Jeez. Everything I possibly could have, I did wrong. And I still got him somehow. Tell you what, that's like a 10-pound carp. Oh boy. On the hot dog. Oh, he's a little thin actually. It's a good sized carp though. Wait till I show you guys what I did to the rod. I'm so lucky I even caught this guy. Got that. Okay guys, well finally I catch something of note. I was walking around flipping the docks and stuff. I get over here and my line is clear over by the docks. Almost fooled me. And then I find out I had the rod wrapped around the tip and through the eye wrong. Amazing I even caught this thing, honestly. Pretty solid fish. Glad I was able to finally get something done today. It's been one of those days. It's like 95 degrees. Bass fishing sucks right now. Haven't caught any carp in a while. Yeah, pretty cool. Windy as hell, probably can't even hear me. All right, let's let her go. I know, mama. I'd be pissed too. Where am I gonna let you go at, huh? Is there a good place anywhere? Right here, maybe? I know some of those UK carp guys are gonna give me shit for throwing them on the grass like that. A little different over here in the States though, guys. There she goes. Okay. Well, I guess. Oh my! Almost fell in. I guess let's try to get another one, huh? That was cool. All wrapped up in the other line. Here's what I was talking about, guys. I'm an idiot. And at some point today when I retied, I wrapped this around the tip all weird. I don't even know how I landed that thing, honestly. This is terrible. Terrible. No idea how I landed it. Got lucky. Now let's try to sort this out first because he was wrapped in this one. No bait left. Oh no, wait, this was the hot dog. Yeah, I caught him on corn. Okay, this one right here was the hot dog. So I'd like to think of myself as a multi-species angler, but I really am not much of a carp angler. I have caught a lot of carp though, just messing around like I am today. And they're fun, they're a lot of fun. And I know a lot of carp guys make some crazy dip baits and dough baits and stink baits and all this stuff. And they work great, and those guys catch a lot bigger carp than I do, and a lot more carp than I do. But I'm telling you, for me, the best freaking carp bait and the easiest carp bait is that right there. A can of corn. That's all you need. This is pretty much all I use for carp. I've used bread before, but this just stays on the hook better. And obviously they eat it, as you guys just saw. So this is all you freaking need right here. A can of corn. Catch you some carp. And we'll go hit one more spot. Yeah guys, so that last spot really didn't pan out, didn't get any bites, so it was a complete bust. But we caught some fish today, and I told you, I told you guys, the corn was gonna work. Corn always works. I don't care what anybody says, corn is one of the best carp baits you can possibly use. It's super cheap, super easy, stays on the hook well, and they absolutely love it. And it always catches fish. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.